The unique thing about this puff puff recipe is that you do not need baking powder. You do not need yeast. So definitely you don't need to proof. It's so easy to make. Anyone can make it. Go on now to add in your flour into a bowl. Add in your sugar. Add in your baking soda. Half tablespoon of baking soda, not baking powder. Add in your salt. Don't worry, the ingredients and measurement will be in the description box. Set your dry ingredients aside. Your wet ingredients, we are using 1 cup of evaporated milk. We are using 1 medium-sized egg. We are adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We are not using butter for this recipe. We are adding in our vanilla flavor. I love vanilla flavor for puff puff. If you haven't tried it before, please do. You will love it. Mix your wet ingredients together. Go on out, add half cup of warm water. I use hot water because my milk and my egg, they were cold, so I wanted a normal to warm temperature liquid mix. So I'm going to add my liquid to my flour. Add it gradually until you have this texture. I added an extra 2 tablespoons of warm water to get my butter to this consistency. Then we go on now to fry immediately. You are not leaving it to proof. You are not covering. Immediately go on to fry this recipe. You fry, cut your butter into the oil like so. Stir continuously until you have this golden brown look. You are frying on medium heat, consistently medium heat. Frying on medium heat will prevent any form of crack. Help your puff puffs to come out softer and more chewy. Take it out of the oil, set in a sieve or salvage when you've gotten the color you are going for, this golden brown look, and this is what you get at the end of the day. This recipe is so yummy. The fluffiness is out of this world. Are you going to be trying out this recipe? And if you haven't subscribed to DEBBY'S Kitchen, do subscribe, do like and share, do comment, and see you in my next one. God bless you.